What stop your father will not stop you.
Amen.
What stop your family members will not stop you.
Amen.
What stop your neighbor will not stop you.
Amen.
I see you rising above your enemies.
Amen.
I see you rising above your enemies.
Amen.
My name is KK Paul. And my father is Baba Joshua Ikemba. I see you rising. Rising. Go and prosper. Go and manifest. Go and succeed. I see speed in every areas of your life. I see speed. I see speed. I see speed. I see speed. I see restoration. Restoration in your family. Restoration in your business.